Hi guys, I am back with another review. Today I will be unboxing and giving my first thoughts on the base model MacBook M4 Pro. I have not had or used a MacBook since I bought the 2015 13-inch MacBook Pro. That was back in 2019, so this is a huge upgrade for me. Apple always has the best unboxing experiences with the tabs being so satisfying to pull. And I did pick this up kind of late. Obviously, this came out late last year, but yeah, I have it now. So, and as you can see from the box, I did decide to go with the space black version. This base model that I did pick up, it comes with the M4 chip with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 500 gigabytes of SSD. I chose the base model because after watching many reviews and hearing others' opinions on this year's base model being an absolute beast, and also at the cost, you really can't beat all the power that you're getting. I chose the space black version because I absolutely love the color. It just looks so stealthy and sleek. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull these two tabs on the back. That is just the most satisfying pull ever. And when you do open the box, you immediately see the MacBook. After lifting it up, we do get a black MagSafe cable, which matches the color of the MacBook, which is a very nice touch. As well as the other little paperwork Apple always includes. You also get your charging brick in the box as well. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put that back. How I found it for now. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at this MacBook. Now, after I get it all unwrapped and everything, when you get to the MacBook itself, oh, ripping the paper. Too anxious. So yeah, when you get to the MacBook itself, when you flip it over on the bottom, it has MacBook Pro engraved, which looks absolutely beautiful. On the left side, you do get two Thunderbolt ports as well as a 3.5 millimeter headphone port and your MagSafe charger port. On the right side, you get a SD card slot, another USB-C port, and a HDMI. All of these will be very useful for my use case. And the sound that it makes when you first open it is so satisfying. I'm going to skip the setup part and get straight to it. So, the screen on this thing is absolutely amazing and shows very beautiful, vibrant colors, and the blacks look really good. And the thing is, I did think about getting the nano textured screen, but truthfully, I didn't really think it was that big of a deal for me personally. I'm not someone who really works in the sun often, so the benefits of the nanotechnology really wasn't a priority for me. And I mean, I did think about getting the MacBook Air, but just look at this thing. How could I deny it? The speakers are amazing. And here is just a short clip of the sound coming out of these speakers. The song title is literally exactly how I feel about this MacBook. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to actually using this thing. Yeah, this MacBook is absolutely amazing. The old MacBook I had, it pretty much became unusable, and I've not used it on a regular basis since 2020. So all in all, this is an absolute beautiful machine, and I'm so grateful to have it. That's all for me today. See you the next time. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.